Hey guys, this is Taminder here. I'm just gonna show you something today. I actually bought these what do you call the DJI filters for my Mavic 2. But then again, I was trying to remove this filter, and then it was pretty. It wasn't hard, but it's fragile, I would say. But then again, I came across this little gadget. It's a tool that you could buy from Amazon. So all you have to do is just put this thing over here, and then you just have to twist it like this, and then it just comes off very fast, and you can put it back just like that, rather than using your fingers trying to remove it, and then you can't get hold of it properly, and then you might break the whole thing. But this tool is really, really good. I think if you're trying to remove, and then if you're doing any a drone footage outside, and if you want to remove it quickly, this is going to come in really, really, really well. I mean, try it, and then let me know what you think. Okay, and I think this is going to help people who want to remove these and put it back on and off all the time.